Hi, Lara. It's Susan. I'm so excited about our trip to Spain next week. On Monday, we are flying from London to Barcelona. I still need to pack my suitcase. I know you've already packed. I will do it tomorrow. I will also bring my sunglasses because it's going to be sunny. In Barcelona, we are staying in a small hotel. It's near the Sagrada Família and Park Güell. On Tuesday, we will visit these places. I will take lots of pictures. On Wednesday, we are going to the beach. You will swim a lot. I know you love swimming. I will sit on the sand and relax. Maybe I will read a book. On Thursday, we will go shopping. I really want to find a pretty fan for my sister. You can look for postcards or something special for your mom. After shopping, we can have lunch at a small café. On Friday, we are going to visit a museum. I read that Barcelona has some really interesting ones. I think we will learn a lot. On Saturday, we can just relax. Maybe we will go for a walk or have some ice cream in the city. It will be a nice, quiet day before we leave. On Sunday, we are flying back to London. I think we will be a little tired, but it will be a great trip. I can't wait for Monday to come. It's going to be so much fun, Lara.